Good evening, guys. I'm Jason Daly Kennedy. This is Good Night Snack on Good Night Cap on the Daily Kennedy.
I am Lisa with Sync Nutrition.
What are we having tonight? I'm very excited about this
We
one.
are making chocolate cherry Niiice Cream.
Niiice Cream, not the brand name Niiice Cream.
No, it is perfect for that late night ice cream crave. The main ingredient is frozen cherries. Cherries are a good source of melatonin, which is a perfect late night snack because it helps you sleep.
Melatonin helps you sleep. I also have a whole meditation for assholes that'll help you sleep as well, so you can check that out.
Yeah.
Oh look, Mark's arrived.
Hello.
He's making, hi. We're making Niiice Cream. Mark just came back from probably some sort of wine tasting.
He's ready for dessert.
So tasty.
So about a cup or so of cherries, about 2 tablespoons of almond butter.
Nice. All right, cool.
Just drop it in there.
Don't be stingy with that. I love that shit.
Maybe lick the spoon.
Can I lick the bowl?
Then 1 to 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Key here is unsweetened.
Why?
Super important because you don't want the added sugar. So we blend it up. Another key thing to point out is this little mini food processor. It's definitely very important. This is a KitchenAid one. You can use a Magic Bullet or any sort of miniature food processor.
The Magic Bullet's a food processor?
It is.
Huh, thought that was something else.
It's almost there.
How long did you do it?
As you'll see,
It smells so good.
it is the consistency of soft serve.
Okay.
Of course, you have to lick.
The knife, not with your tongue.
Okay, I know.
Oh, that is awesome. You can see the nibs, or cacao. Cacao. It looks like chocolate chips.
Yeah.
All right.
And then if you can, I have some extra cacao nibs over here and some coconut. So,
You don't put the coconut in before.
nope.
Okay.
Put it on top and a couple cacao nibs. And there you go. A little Niiice Cream sundae.
All right, cool. Let me take a bit. All right, I love it. Let's bring Mark back in. Put this in your mouth and be quiet.
This is something I never thought I'd be in between.
And then that's a good night snack.
That's it.
Good night.